Solar-powered Blacksmith Blower machine installation. Selco office in Sulia receives an inquiry from a blacksmith for a solar-powered blacksmith blower system. The sales executive visits the blacksmith, introduces himself, and explains about the solar-powered blacksmith blower. He does the site survey along with the blacksmith to find a shadow-free location for placing the panel, and also a dry and ventilated place to keep the batteries, and checks the wiring layout. He fills the order acknowledgement form and takes the signature of the blacksmith confirming the order, and thanks him and leaves. Sales executive arrives at the branch office and briefs the branch manager about the requirement of the blacksmith and submits the order acknowledgement form. Branch manager gives the order acknowledgement form to the office administrator and briefs him to generate the inter-branch memo. The office administrator raises the inter-branch memo and goods receipt note and generates a delivery challan which includes the material list and tax and service invoice. He checks the material received from the godown as per the delivery challan. He calls the blacksmith and confirms the availability, date and time for installation. He gets the signature of the branch manager on the delivery challan. Branch manager briefs the technician about the order and asks him to get the material ready. Technician takes the delivery challan, warranty card, installation completion certificate, annual maintenance contract, and user manual with branch seal. He goes to the branch godown and collects all components listed in the delivery challan. He packs the safety kit and tools required for the installation and loads the components carefully in the pickup truck. The technician and his assistant travel to the site location. He unloads the material with the help of the assistant and carries it inside the shop. Technician greets the blacksmith and takes the signature of the end user on the delivery challan confirming the delivery of materials. Solar-powered blacksmith blower system components. Panel 12 volt 40 watt. Luminary 5 watt. Charge regulator 12 volt 10 ampere. Blower 15 watt 12 volt. Battery 12 volt 20 ampere hour. The technician prepares for installation. He wears the safety shoes, jacket, gloves and the helmet. Enter the serial number of the panel and battery for warranty. Fix the module mounting structure to the panel using nuts, bolts and screws with the help of spanners. After fixing the panel to the module mounting structure, start the wiring of the solar panel. Strip the wires using a wire stripper and connect the lugs using a wire crimper. And then connect it to the PV junction box. Red wire positive, black wire negative. Use of cable lugs allows in easy installation, repair and maintenance of electrical devices or cables. With the help of drilling machine, make a hole on the sheet for inserting the GI pipe in order to fix the panel. Pull out the PVC pipe from inside and attach it to the GI pipe using zip tags. Fix the panel to the GI pipe. Pass the positive and negative wires from the panel through the PVC pipe. Check the direction using a compass and adjust the panel facing south direction with appropriate inclination as per the region of maximum radiation. Fix the module mounting structure by applying cement and sand mixture at its base. After fixing the panel, start the wiring inside the shop. For wiring, use PVC pipes, PVC conduit clamps, elbow joint, and T-joint. Now, to connect the battery, strip the insulator off the wire using a wire stripper and connect the lugs using wire crimper. Wind the wire on the rod for flexibility. Scratch off the metal part of the terminal for better connectivity. Apply petroleum jelly on the terminal to avoid rusting. After that, connect the wires to the terminals using a spanner. Red wire to the positive and black wire to the negative terminal. Remove the battery cap and fix the floats on the battery in order to check the water level. If the indicator is below the red line, the battery needs to be serviced. Now, to connect the charge regulator, keep the charge regulator on the wooden box and mark the place to drill holes for wires. Using a drilling machine, drill 6 holes to connect the positive and negative wires from the solar panel, battery, and load. Fix the charge regulator on the wooden box. Cut the wooden box on the side so that the wire and PVC pipe can be passed through. Pass the wires from the panel, battery, and load through the drilled holes of the wooden box. Mount the wooden box on the wall and fix the charge regulator to the wooden box. Strip the wire using a wire stripper and attach the lugs using a wire crimper. First, connect the battery wire to the charge regulator. Then, connect the load wire to the charge regulator. And finally, connect the panel wire to the charge regulator. Since the roof structure is made of iron rods and sheets, it cannot be drilled to fix the LED tube holder. So, zip tags are used to fix the luminary. Connect the speed regulator in series with the blower and switch using a wire connector. Take the speed regulator and switch wires through the PVC pipe and conduit clamp to connect it to the blower. Now, fix the DC blower in place of the old manual blower. The technician explains the working of the system, the indicators on the charge regulator, and the do's and don'ts, its maintenance and safety measures to be taken while using the blower. Technician takes the signature of the blacksmith on the installation completion statement and warranty card and hands over the warranty card, thanks him and leaves. The blacksmith switches on the luminaries to verify the completion of the installation. Generally, blacksmiths depend on manual methods of igniting and blowing to keep the furnace running, which involves extreme rigidity and long working hours. Now, the old system is replaced with an efficient, cost-effective, high-quality, powerful DC blower with a controller which eases the work of the blacksmith. Thank you.